Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys. These are the stickers that my son ended up choosing. We got new stickers. This is the Minecraft one. We got this one at Hobby Lobby, and it was $1.99, but you can use the 40% off and get it cheaper. The 40% off coupon that's out there. Yeah, so we use stickers to reward them. So yeah. Depending on how many stickers they get, that's how they get rewarded. So they're saving up for their reward. And so we got these at Hobby Lobby. Wanted to show you the ones that I needed smaller stickers, so we're using these right now. I got some more at Dollar Tree. You guys can check out those videos. I posted a Dollar Tree haul and a Hobby Lobby haul, so go check those out. So these are the ones that my son got. And then my daughter ended up getting these right here, which are the princess ones. These were also $1.99. They had some for My Little Pony, but she ended up picking these. And you can also use the 40% off for this one. So they just have really cute stickers. We learned about King David today. And what was the scripture? 2 Samuel. Chapter 22, verse what?
Verse 50.
Okay, so that's what they're coloring right now. My son just read it for us, and he already put the little tab on the scriptures.
Well, why then?
And my daughter also read it. She did really, really good. Right there. So they're working on coloring their picture.
Tree.
Come on, baby.
Tree.
We're almost done. We already did math. We already did science. We already did history. They already did their exercise. They're doing scripture right now. And then they're going to be doing their computers. So, yeah.
History was kind of easy.
Yeah, history was easy. It was just a couple of definitions. What did we learn in history?
About the laws and rights. Really laws and rights.
Laws
and rules.
That's right. And how to be a what? A good what?
Good citizen.
Yeah. Good citizen. Very good. Good job, guys.
We know a lot of things, actually.
Yes, you're very smart. This is what I've been using to grade with, pen. We made pens, so go ahead and check out that video. We made pens with their favorite characters on there. And also, today they were able to use tracing paper. We found it at Hobby Lobby. In case you guys are looking for tracing paper, we ended up finding it at Hobby Lobby. They have them at 50% off right now.
And they're much
They
better.
had them for $4.99, so half of that would be $2.50.
And they're much better because it turns like to light, and
it's just so much easier for them to do it with that. So we were able to get 2 of those. Makes our life a lot easier. If you guys haven't checked out the other videos that I posted of the Dollar Tree haul, the Hobby Lobby haul, definitely check those out. We've been trying to vlog more of our homeschooling, so hopefully you guys will like that. So you guys can see some of the things that we do. And my daughter just finished this one. Looks really pretty. Good job, Princess. Go ahead and cut it out and put it in your book. Oh yeah, this is what they got at the museum.
And it's really cool, guys. I went there when I was at school. We went there and it was so amazing. They had little parts
They went there with their school, but we also went there with me and my husband and my son for homeschooling.
So cool. Like they had a little earth ball.
Going to the museum.
Oh, the iMac?
I have the earth, and I have a little stand of the earth, and I showed everything. And they had a little kind things, and I had toys, everything. It was so amazing.
And we did our math, we did our science, we did our history, we did our scriptures. This is our scriptures. Let me see. Where is, can I borrow your history book, Princess, so I can show them what history book we're doing? So this is the history book that we're doing right now. This one, My World, Social Studies, Texas. So this is what we're doing. The one that they ended up doing was The Good Citizen and Following the Rules and Laws. This one right here, Very Good Citizens. So we did that one today. They did really good with it. And for science, we ended up doing this one, which is learning about water conservation. This one, we ended up getting it at some festival, I don't remember, but it's really, really great. They've been learning about how to, take care of water and the water cycle and stuff, so they've been taking care of that. It has a lot of coloring pages, but it also has information on there. They have word searches. They have just a bunch of little activities for them to do, so it's really, really fun for them. So that's what they did today for science. And, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and move on to computers.
Oh, yes, I got a Kuwait. Oh. I got a Kuwait. Lucas! I'm not there. You're the last one. Boom! What? Yes! Oh.
You have to get another person.
Woo!
Don't do yourself! Not you! Oh, I can come here, Dad. I shut the down.
Rihanna!
No! Getting bananas! Oh, sí, wala.